DeCarlo, the Green Party candidate for Assembly in the 21st Legislative District. Today, we're going to talk about his campaign. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you.
Tell us about the 21st District. What areas does it include?
It goes across 4 counties. In the southern part is Garwood, Roselle Park, Cranford. It goes north to Milburn, Madison, Harding, and then over into Somerset County with Warren and Watchung.
Give us a little bit of information about your background and why you're running with the Green Party.
Yeah, I first came to the Green Party after a period of being disenchanted with the other parties. I came to it shortly before the Nader campaign in 2000, worked on the campaign, became involved with the Green Party of New Jersey internally, and also the Green Party of the United States on their diversity committee. And last year, also did campaigning for Ted Glick, who ran for U.S. Senate. Also, during Nader's run, there was our local congressional candidate we were working for.
One of your main issues is school funding. Tell us why it's important and what you would hope to accomplish.
Yeah, school funding is related with property taxes. People have been complaining about taxes, and normally when that issue is brought up, it concerns property tax and the rise in property tax over time. And the major portion of that, of course, is school funding. Right now, there's, in fact, been talk about having a convention, which we are opposed to. At least the District 21 Greens, there seems to be, in all parties, among all people across the spectrum, disputes about this. But we would like a progressive state income tax that would be designated for and set aside for schools specifically. So it would not be a part of the general revenue when income taxes are collected. And then it would be evenly, distributed throughout the state per pupil, and get rid of this regressive state property tax. The property tax is regressive because over a period of time when people have bought their house and they've been there for 10, 20, 30 years, they've never realized the value of the house, yet the budgets for the schools have continued to rise and their taxes continue to rise at those rates.
How could this progressive income tax help possibly lower income areas and lower income schools?
That's exactly what it would do. Right now, children are being punished, basically, and it's discriminatory based upon where their parents are able to live and what in their communities. And if their community has a low property tax base to derive funds from for their local schools, then there's all kinds of problems. Then you have court cases, then you have to create the Abbott school districts to make up for funding that they lack in their local communities. And having a progressive state income tax where the state would collect the funds and then distribute them among the communities for the students in the public schools would make an adjustment across the state for this.
Another big issue in this state is health care. Tell us what you would hope to accomplish in that area.
Yeah, the Green Party, as far as the state and nationally, has supported a universal single-payer health insurance plan. Right now, of course, you have many different private insurance companies across the country, and of course, and they all have administrations to deal with. We call for one based upon a Medicare, but it would not exactly be that, of course. It would have to require a lot of planning. For that, in District 21 Greens, we have also talked about freedom of medical choice. Normally when people hear about a universal single-payer system, they think they're going to be forced to go to certain doctors or prescribed to a certain medical philosophy. But with freedom of medical choice, they'll have that ability to go to alternative sources of medicine.
Well, thank you very much. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. This hour's newsmaker has been George DeCarlo, the Green Party candidate for Assembly in the 21st Legislative District. This has been Comcast Newsmakers Campaign 2003. Remember to vote. Election Day is Tuesday, November 4th. For more news and local information, join us on CN8, the Comcast Network.
The preceding has been a presentation of Comcast Newsmakers. Now, back to CNN Headline News.